ice creams. And these are the objects. So, name of anything or object is also known as noun. Now, we have names of some ideas like definition of noun. Here we have the word noun. N-O-U-N. And I am going to put here S small. Okay, now it becomes nouns. Name. N stand for name. O stand for of. U stand for universal. And S stand for species. N for name. O for of. UN for universal species. So noun is the name of universal species that can be living or non-living. So a noun is the name of any person, place, thing or idea is known as noun. Let's look some example.
Can be Ram, Shyam, Sudhir. Name of the place can be Delhi, Mumbai, Chandigarh. Name of the thing can be pencil, ice cream, or the name of the idea can be love, hate, etc.
Okay, now we have is also known as noun. Any abstract thing that has a name is also known as noun. Abstract and concrete, we have two words here. What is a concrete object?
A concrete object is that which we can see or touch.
Yes, the object that can be seen or touched is known as the concrete objects, and or things, or the idea or things that cannot be touched or that cannot be seen are known as the abstract noun. Son, very good. Okay, and just stand up. You, I can see you smiling. Where are you from? Where? District Kathal. He also belongs to District Kathal. Can we call it a noun?
Yes.
Can we call Kathal as a noun or?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because it is the name of a place. But now we have another word, that is idea. Means stand up please. Where are you from?
I belong to
Where?
Bhagal
Where is Bhagal?
in district Kathal.
Okay, you are from Kathal. Please sit down. Just stand up. What is there on your hand? I can see there you have wearing something in your hand. What is that? Watch. Okay. You can see I have written here three words. First one is Nischint, second one is Kathal, and third one is watch. Nischint is the name of person. Kathal is the name of a place. And watch is the name of a thing. Can anybody tell me what we call all these words in grammatical sense? Noun. Yes, definitely. We call all these words noun in grammar. How are you? Okay. Please stand up. What's your name?
Nischint.
Just speak loudly.
Nischint.
Nischint. Okay. Sit down, Nischint. How can we identify nouns? Okay. Let's start. कहाँ start करना था ये?
Noun, part 1.
Here we will learn about the definition of noun.
Let us learn about nouns. By definition, a noun is the name of a person, place, things, or idea. The name of the person
Here we have given the definition of